Good morning, people. I'm off to Reggie's house. Taking the daily, because my car's still broken. Nobody on Miramar Road, except for 2 people. And the sun just cracked. I'm still sleepy. Here we go. Alright, leaving my car here, because I'm taking this car, and Reggie's taking this car. Surprise, guys. We are off, and we go. I haven't followed this car in a long time. Alright, Raph is gonna roll with us today. We got teamwork over here. Teamwork, make the dream work.
It's so wet.
It's wet. Wet, wet. Ready to do this, girl? Raph is ready. Rhea's ready. Rhea got the helmet on. What's up, what's up?
What up, what up?
What's up, John's in another vlog. Jeff's in the vlog.
What's up, guys?
Hey, why are all you race cars here?
I don't know. You set the shit up.
Oh, he's flexing. Showing us his muscles. Oh, look at this guy.
What's up, man?
What's that?
What up,
What up?
Tires are original too.
These are it's not dry rotted yet. No.
Damn, even the tires are error correct.
Right.
Reggie's first time flying. Don't hit me.
Here, let's see. How do I bring the camera down? How do you control the camera?
Ernie's got the coffee, right? All right, just made it to Starbucks. Got to pick up the Traveler coffee to go. All right, here we go.
Coffee in here.
You got both of them? Okay. Good looking out. Here we go. Please excuse the steering wheel shake and the dash shake. Car's a little old.
Yeah.
It's older than you and me. No, I'm just kidding. No, not me. We're hopping on the 15 now. They give him the thumbs up.
Is this a baseball field? Oh, yeah.
Oh, we forgot to bring Rhea's ball.
The destination is on your right. Kit Carson Park. Arrived.
This guy, he's on time. Why you guys got the flash on? Hey, they want coffee. Hey, just gotta warn you, this vlogging life is tough. Cause you know, the shit we do, you know what I mean?
That's perfect. Hey, the iced coffee is here.
Well, not iced coffee, but it is now.
Warm coffee.
Where's your car?
I don't drive. Gas is expensive. My carpool was this one.
Was the hood heavy? No, I'm sorry. When they delivered mine, I'm like telling the guy, I said, hey, is that box pretty heavy? He's all, no, not really. No, oh, cool. Because if he said it was heavy, I'm like, I don't want it. There's Saban also?
BIS, dude. I
Oh, BIS?
still around.
367.
367.
Yeah.
To the wheel.
Oh, damn, I don't remember that. And we didn't record it? That's fucked up.
We didn't bring cameras out.
Yeah, no, there was no YouTube yet.
SHO on video on this one.
Oh, I don't want that one. Did you really get it on video?
Yeah, we had the camera out that night. I remember the line going to Sereno.
You're still gonna be
Crazy.
Yeah. I was annoyed because it was right there.
Hello, everybody. What did you say?
It says, singit mo. Man, this is
vlogging life, I'm telling you, man. Always putting me to work.
Like I said, like I ain't trying.
I didn't get a sticker.
Oh yeah, huh?
Wheels are expensive. We ain't trying to fuck.
Oh, you didn't take one,
It
huh?
took like almost.
No, you didn't give me one.
You're gonna get one right now. So we got
I think-
the Rising Sun.
It's a 9 years.
We got the.
Do we have extras? I think Raph wants a sticker. Is this it?
That's it. That's 4.
Oh, 4? Okay.
I don't know if you want black or white,
I think
white will
look.
but
Oh,
take off
shit.
the ones you have on your car.
Right now?
No, not now.
Oh, you got bird stuff on. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, failed. I thought you washed your car last night.
When did that happen? It wasn't like that like 3
Oh, shit. Hey, you got shitted on.
It's because I'm waiting for you, man.
I know. What's your daughter's name?
Bethany.
Bethany. Hi, Bethany. Hey, Ray.
Bullshit as long as I can.
What was your name, sir?
Mr. Butts,
Mr. Butts?
B-U-T-T-S.
That's what's up. Hey, guess what? You're on the vlog. You're on Ixer Garage YouTube channel.
I am?
Yep. Congrats. You made it.
Oh, well, it could be a problem.
We won't tell your wife you're here.
Ah, which one?
None of them will know.
There you go. Oh, cool, man.
Oh, you did bring the car out, huh?
Ethan, welcome. Yeah, we could. Into the
Let
lake.
me see your sticker. Welcome to the team.
How did you guys get in the...
Am I like the
What did John have to do? I had the hardest
Huh?
one.
I'm the youngest. What you talking about?
I had to build my car in 3 months before I got it.
I had to wash everybody's car, shine everyone's rims.
Hey, Chris, welcome back. Oh, shit.
As if he went somewhere.
Oh, wait, hey.
Do I gotta get sexed in?
You see what you got there? What's behind it? I don't know. What you doing, girl? You want to drive? I almost look like I know what I'm doing.
So don't entertain him. If it's crazy enough. I don't need it anymore.
Oh shoot, perfect. I know what it's. I just came up with something. Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Where's 2.0, Christian? Is this it? This is it? 2.0 right here. Oh, I just want to know a few things. What's up with the suspension?
Yeah, it's just the HKS.
HKS?
Yeah, the new Hypermax.
Is it coilover, right?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, just like Nancy's, right? What's up with the wheels? What's the spec on these wheels?
18 by 9.5, 35 offset.
Looks sick. This is 2.0 for the OG subscribers. You don't remember, he said it's 1.0 now. Wait for 2.0 in the future. This is 2.0. How long did it take for you to get the wheels?
9 months.
9 months?
Yeah.
And then tires, how'd you decide on tires?
Michelin from Power Sports.
Oh, okay.
Just cause.
Just cause?
Yeah. Screw it.
Like no true purpose. You
Yeah,
you
just wanted to make sure you got good quality, you know?
No, you can't go wrong with Michelins, of course. Or Toyos.
I know, man.
Cool, awesome, man. Car's looking good. It's just red is hard to take care of, so you know you got to do work.
I know, right? That's the hard part.
Yeah. It's always in the garage, right?
Yeah, that's
All
the
right,
thing.
about to say.
It barely goes out, dude.
All right, Jem's heading out. Thanks for coming by, bro. Good to see the S2000 and me not working on it.
I mean, I can bring it back if you want to work on it again.
Nah, I like appreciating it with you just driving it.
I mean, my ABS light is on. If you wanna
Oh,
work
shoot,
on
you want more. It's not one thing, it's another, huh?
it. Hey, drive it hard.
Yep,
Race it, break it, repeat.
repeat. Eat, sleep, race.
There you go. All right, man. Take it
All
easy.
right, take it easy, drive safe.
I have white tires too, all around. So I can really feel the ground.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
This is Mike, by the way. He's from Arizona.
Hey, you guys.
Yeah, the seats are factory.
Is that the flares? Your flares and like these are the those
Yeah,
are
that's factory. That's all factory.
Oh, these are cool. Change them.
Yeah, that's not factory.
Yeah, I say change the mirrors are cool. Carbon fiber.
Jed! Reg!
Okay.
No lettuce mixer.
Touchless.
Touchless.
Touchless. They're over there. They're over there, girl. This way. Hey. 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 Hey, what's up?
We're like, hey,
Hay's here.
did anyone double check the airline? Let's wrestle.
I'll wrestle you. I'm gonna stun you and pile drive you.
I can do that.
Excuse me, sir. Are you subscribed to Extra Garage?
I'll check it out.
It's ICZER.
Caesar.
Yeah.
Cool, I got it.
If I don't see that new subscription, I'm coming back.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
I know.
And all this other available.
No problem.
Oh, it's locked. It is locked, huh? The alarm on? Hell yeah, it's on.
No.
Can't keep an eye off an Integra for a second.
Hey, Christian, watch this.
What can you tell me about your wheels?
Nothing.
Man, that's messed up. That's killjoy status. What's
What do you
up?
feel about freight motors? Are those
Great motors? Yeah, they're great.
So yeah, I just moved that sign, and
Dude, you're already one step closer to your probation, bro. Tell your dad get that Supra, you're good.
Move those signs.
Yeah, not right now, like when we're about to leave, so that way it's not, you know, it's just for us to get out.
all right, the guys just left. We're still here in the Carmel Mountain area. Got to get a glue gun for the wifey.
For me, actually.
Yeah, for you, for her little school project. I don't know what's going on. So we're gonna hit up Michael's real quick.
California knows how to party.
That's not the one I'm thinking.
Oh, my bad. Sorry. Whew, it's nice and cool in here. Just need to go find a glue gun.
Excuse me, where are the glue guns on this corner? All right, thank you very much. We are close. Thank you. All right, you pick it out. It doesn't matter.
On the floor. Thank
Ooh,
you.
nice shirt. Back up, let me see.
Let's get more.
Sorry. For that glue gun though? That's it?
Yeah,
All right, let's get out of here. Oh, what do you want? Get something again. Okay, what do you want?
Why you like the
You want a volcano? The volcano. The Al volcano. Cool. What is it again? Rocks. Whew, that was easy. Here you go. All right, heading back home. It was a good turnout, right, guys? You know, we got 11 cars deep. If you guys could have made it, we probably could have had at least 18, 20 cars. But I'm glad the kiddos made it. Rhea representing, wearing her Ixer shirt.
You too.
Back where we started this morning. But anyway, I just got one thing to say. My life be like, ooh, ah, ooh, ah.
Oh, that was crazy.
All right, pulling back to the crib. This girl is lights out. Just checking out these new Ixer garage stickers that was made by our Belle. We're gonna start rocking these and then continue to build this channel. Anyway, hope you guys had a good one. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.